So hi all, my name is Abhinav Kolli and I'm pursuing my master's in ITM department, and this semester I have taken the course data warehousing under the Professor Daniel Lee, and this video is for this assignment too. So in this video, I'll be walking you through my implementation of slowly changing dimensions using Pentaho data integration and MySQL workbench. So we'll have to work at on type 1, type 2 and hybrid approaches with our product dimension table. So I'll be showing you how it works in each and every transformation. So in the step one, we'll be loading the source data where our source data contains product details such as product ID, product name, category, brand, price, and size. So with over time, some of these attributes will be changing. So the challenge is how we'll be capturing and managing the history of the source data. So we'll be finally hopping into the method on how to do this transformation process. So in the step two, we'll be proceeding with the transformation one, which is called also called as type one SCD. So here, this type one simply will be overwriting the old data with the new values. So basically, which means that no history will be kept. Only the latest information which is there will be available as of now. So I'll be showing you how it works. So this is my so from the input tab here, we have to open that and we have to drag the Microsoft Excel input here from the input tab, and we have to open it by double clicking on it. After that, we have to load the file which is given to us in the form of Excel in the assignment by clicking on the browse and adding it. After that, we have to go to sheets and we have to name our sheet as sheet one. After that, we have to go to the fields tab and we have to verify if the table has been loaded successfully or not. For that, we have to verify by clicking on this button. After clicking this button, we'll be getting this data, which means the data has been loaded successfully into this transformation. Also, we have to verify the header rows of the table by clicking on this previous rows button. So I'm going to click on it. Uh, so yeah, I got this data, which is exactly there in the given Excel sheet also, which means that our data has been loaded successfully, that too with proper header rows. So this part is done, and we have to drag the table output from the down from the section output, and we have to double click on this. After double clicking on this, first I'll be showing you how to connect this table output with my database and my table target table, which is DIM product type 1. So first we have to create three tables in MySQL Workbench. That's for transformation 1, transformation 2, hybrid transformation, and for the final one. So here I have created the table for the transformation 1, which is named as DIM product type 1. I have connected that with my table output, and I have specified the database fields. I'm going to click on this database fields, and now I'm going to map this table field and stream fields by simply clicking on the get fields. So these fields will be reading from the table one, which I have given here. So I will be mapping in this such way: product ID, category, brand, and so on. So I'll be clicking on SQL to see if it's the script is working successfully or not. After this script runs successfully, I'll be clicking on OK and I'll be clicking on the run button. So yeah, the transformation 1 has been ran successfully. Now we'll go to transformation 2. This process is also quite similar to when compared to transformation 1. So we'll know what this is exactly means. So in transformation 2, which is also called as type 2 SCD, this type 2 basically what it does is preserves history by creating multiple records for the same single product. Also, each version of the product has the attributes such as start date, end date, and a unique version number too. So I'll be showing you how it works. So we have to same this process same. We have to drag the Microsoft Excel input from the input dropdown. I'll be loading my dataset, which is in the form of XLS, and we'll be verifying if it has been loaded successfully or not in the field section, and by clicking on the preview rows. Yeah, it has been successful. That's it. This part is done. Now this is quite different when compared to transformation one and from the past assignment two, where I'll be clicking on the drop down of data warehousing, and from there I'll be dragging this, which is called as dimension lookup and update. I'll be clicking this. So I'll be connecting this with my database and my second table, which is named as DAM product type to new. So I'll be connecting that with my database here by clicking on new. and I'll be connecting with the table by clicking on the browse here. That's it. And these are the default values which I'll be giving here. The technical key field will be, I'll be selecting from here, day and product key. So I've loaded the table, right? So all those attributes are being visible here. From this, I'll select the product key here. And these are the default values which you have to give: version field, version, date field, transaction date, date start date, end date. And this is a quite interesting field which is called as primary key. Also we can call this as a business key. So we have to map product id with product id. If we can select here, everything will be visible here from the table which we loaded here. So we have to select the product id. Here also we have to select product ID. That's it. And we have to go to field section. And the same process, we have to map each and every attribute here, like product name, category, brand, and so on. These all are coming from the table itself, which I loaded here. Through this, they are being displayed here. That's it. After that, we'll be selecting this button to check if this script is running successfully or not. After it runs successfully, we'll click on OK and we'll check if this transformation is running successfully or not. Yeah, this is also running successfully. So we'll go to the last part of our assignment, which is creating the hybrid transformation, which is basically creating which is a mix of these two transformations we'll be creating here. So first process is same. We have to drag the Microsoft Excel input from the input drop down, and we have to give our table file, and we have to verify if this has been loaded successfully or not. Yeah, that's it. So this part is done. This is also quite similar, which we just done now. In the transformation 2, we have to drag this dimension lookup or update from the data warehousing drop down. We have to double click this, and we have to connect this with the third table in the same database. So one second. Sorry, I'm back. So we have to connect this with the third database and the third table with this for this hybrid transformation. Okay, we have to connect the database by clicking on new here. Our database name is SQL Zoo, and our target table is hybrid table, DA and product hybrid. I am selecting that by clicking on the browse button here. That's it, and these are the default values which I'll be given here. The technical key field is this one, which is coming from this table. Select this, and these are the default values. And this is a business key, which is also coming from this table. I'll be giving product ID as my primary key or business key. Select from here. This also select from this drop down. That's it. We have selected the business key, and we are going to set the fields as well. In this way, we are going to map the fields. These fields are also coming from this table itself. So we have to select this drop down, select this. That's it. In this way, we are going to do the same for all the other attributes also, like category, brand, price, and size. After that, we are going to run the SQL script. If it runs successfully, we have to click OK, and we have to verify if this transformation is running successfully or not. Yes, this transformation also has been run successfully. So the last part of our assignment is checking if all the transformations are running together successfully or not when connected to each other. So I'm going to connect this. I'm going to click on File, New Job, and then I have to drag the Start button from this field here, and then I'm going to uh, drag the transformations here. I'll show you how it works. Okay, now it's not visible here. So we have to click on the General drop down, and from there we have to drag these transformations, each and every transformations. So we have to click this, and we have to give the path of our transformation 1. Okay, here we have to give the path of our transformation 2. Here we have to give the path of our transformation 3. That's it. I'm going to run this. So yeah, this transformation also has been ran successfully without any errors, which means that our core part of our assignment is done. I'll be sharing you the screen. Also, I'll be showing you how it works in MySQL Workbench also. I'll be showing you with the outputs. Please wait for a second. So for each transformation, like transformation 1, 2, and 3, I'll be showing you how it works with the proper outputs. Just wait for a second. I'm opening my SQL Workbench. where I have been created all the tables and done all the work related to this assignment. So yeah, I'm going to share the screen again. So yeah, this is the MySQL workbench. So this is the table for transformation one, first table, table one, type one. So this is the second table, type two, for transformation two. So this is the third table, which is for the hybrid one, which basically means for the mix of type one and type two. So these are the three tables which I created: type one, type two, and for the hybrid, which I created for three transformations. Okay, and we can verify our work if it's successful or not. So to verify if transformation one is running successfully, we have to use this query. I'm going to use. I'm going to run. Yeah, we are able to see the full table with the proper rows and columns and with the proper data in it. So yeah, transformation one is running successfully, and we will check if transformation two is correct or not. What we did. So yeah, this is also running successfully. We are able to view all the data here. That's it. We'll see for the hybrid transformation, which is basically the mix of type 1 and type 2, transformation 1 and 2. I'm going to run this. So yeah, this is also running successfully. And at last, I want to show you how many rows and columns are there for each transformation. So yeah, in the type 1, which means for the transformation 1, 84 rows are there. Means it also keeps on increasing once we run this continuously. So in the type 2, it is showing 22 rows as of now. And in the hybrid one, which is for the transformation 3 or type 3, it is showing 60 rows. That's it. And this is our work. This is the transformation 1, this is the transformation 2, this is the hybrid transformation, and this is the overall combination of all the transformations. That's it. Thank you.